Hi, this is how to generate tickets. So we are clicking on customer menu to click on the ticket manager. So once you click on ticket manager, you will see this interface. So you are to click on generate ticket. Okay, so you enter the information and click on submit when you're there. Okay, okay. Then once you're done, you click on submit. So six ticket has already been generated. You click on OK. So if you want to view the ticket, number of tickets, you'll click on view ticket to show you all the number of tickets you have created. So that is how to generate and view tickets for your customers. Thank you for watching.